Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can upload your resume on LinkedIn. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any type of preferred browser and search for linkedin.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, click on your profile icon located in the top bar, and then select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. After that, your account settings will open up. Now, access the Data Privacy tab from the left side menu and scroll down to the bottom. Here, locate the Job Seeking Preferences header and click on the Job Application Settings feature. Once you are here, make sure to enable Share Resume Data with Recruiters, as this will allow recruiters to see your resume when they are looking for candidates. Finally, upload your resume using the dedicated button provided on the page. So that's basically how you can upload your resume on LinkedIn. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.